Hi students, welcome back. So in the previous video I explained about the design principles of OSI reference model and the features of OSI reference model. Now let us see this layer structure. This is the OSI reference model. This OSI is having the 7 layers. So this is from 1 to 7. So here the host A and the host B, two hosts are there. Means this host may be two computers, or one is a client, one is a client and another is a server, or both are the clients or both are the server. Any of them. Okay. So this is one is sender and another is the receiver, and sometimes it acts as a sender and it acts as a receiver, like that. Sender and the receiver. So each system is having the 7 layers. This host A is having 7 layers and the host B is having the 7 layers. So the communication between these layers is, you call it as a protocol. A protocol is nothing but is a set of functions that they have to be implemented. So this is the first layer is a physical layer. So this physical layer is everything is in the form of bits. So the name of unit exchange for this physical layer is bit, means in the form of ones and zeros. And this is a data link layer, the second layer. Data link layer transmits the data. It takes the information from network and transmits the data to the physical. This data link layer is having the data in the form of frames. The data will stored in the form of frames. So here in the form of bits, ones and zeros, and here it is in the form of frames. And coming to the network, a network layer, this is the third layer. So here the data will be in the form of packets. So number of packets, everything, the information is stored in the form of packets. So this network, data link and physical layer is communicating with the host A to host B with the help of some communication subnet protocol. So this is a subnet, a router, just like a router. So it is subnet protocol. So this network layer, this is a host router protocol, data link layer, host router protocol, and the physical layer, host router protocol. So this is the internet subnet protocol, internet subnet protocol. And coming to the transport layer. So the transport layer is one of the important layer in the OSI reference model. So just you can call it as the heart of the OSI reference model. This is a main component, which is main layer that is transporting the data. So here the name of unit exchange in the transport layer is TPDU, Transport Protocol Data Unit. And session layer is for like encryption, decryption, means a session will be assigned to each information that is coming from the presentation layer. The session, the name of unit exchange here is Session Protocol Data Unit. Next is the presentation. The 6th layer is a presentation. The presentation layer is just a translation. So whatever the application program is sending the information, here it is going to be translate whatever the code that application layer is sending. So it represents in another form, another code. Okay, and this code will be different, means the meaning is the same, but here whatever we are sending the application protocol, so here the representation is different. It is all encrypted and decrypted form. Then if the information want to send to host B, it is in encrypted form. If it is receiving from the host B, and this presentation will decrypt the data. And the name of unit exchange here is the Presentation Protocol Data Unit. Now coming to the application layer. So this is the topmost layer and you call it as a 7th layer. This application layer, the name of unit exchange is Application Protocol Data Unit. Okay. So application is nothing but whatever the users are, it is a user friendly application. So the examples for this, the browser, whatever you're using, or the Skype messenger, whatever you're using, means it's just the another name for application is the desktop layer. Means whatever you are seeing on the screen is the application layer. So that internally everything will be converted like this: presentation, session, transport, network, data link, and finally when the CPU is reading the data, it is a physical data. Our physical data will convert whatever the bits that is there into signals. So this is just an overview of the OSI reference model, 7-layer architecture. So now let us discuss about the each and every layer clearly. What is physical, what is data link and network, transport, session, presentation and application. So with the functions. Thank you.